Welcome to English Lit, your complete guide to the world of English literature. Whether you're a student, a teacher, or simply someone who loves literature, this channel is here to help you explore and understand the richness of literary texts clearly and thoughtfully. From the Anglo-Saxon period to postmodernism, you'll find structured lessons on every major literary period. Each video covers the key events, ideas, authors, and works that defined its age. Interested in literary theory? We've got that too. Learn about major critical approaches like psychoanalysis, postcolonialism, and structuralism, and how to apply them to actual texts. You'll also find videos that explain literary terms and other essential topics in English literature, all broken down with clarity and practical examples. And if you're here to improve your listening skills, we have a growing collection of listening videos, organized by level and vocabulary focus. Here's how to use them. Choose your level. Pick the vocabulary theme you want to practice. Listen with or without watching the screen. Click the link in the description. Instantly download a Word file with the full text, fill in the blanks exercises, and answer key. Adjust the playback speed from YouTube settings if needed. And check back often. New topics are added regularly. So, whether you're revising for an exam, preparing a lesson, or just curious about the power of words, you're in the right place. Subscribe now and start your journey with English Lit.